Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a clean signal. Plug your ukulele into the amp or die and set gain low to avoid clipping. Once done, set all EQ knobs to noon so you have a neutral bass line to work from. Make sure the tuner is on and output muted while you sweep. Then play a few chords and listen for boominess or harshness. These first steps expose which frequencies need cuts or boosts so you apply EQ precisely, not by guesswork. Now you sculpt the instrument. Use a parametric mid-sweep. Boost Q, raise gain, sweep 250 to 800 Hz to find muddiness and cut it. Once you've tamed the low end, reduce 80 to 200 Hz to prevent boom and restore body with a small low-mid boost if it sounds thin. For clarity, add a gentle 3 to 8 kHz lift. Make sure not to introduce hiss. Throughout, toggle bypass so you can compare before. Finish by balancing EQ with overall gain. Raise the master so the ukulele sits in the mix without channel peaks above 0 dB. If you hear feedback, identify the offending frequency with a narrow notch and cut it. This often solves stage feedback without killing tone. Make sure monitors aren't pointing directly at the instrument pickup. Move them or lower volume. Finally, always compare bypassed and active EQ settings. If things go wrong, revert to noon settings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.